In today's competitive manufacturing environment, productivity, precision, and consistency are more important than ever. Industries are constantly seeking smarter ways to improve efficiency while reducing costs and human error. Special purpose machines or SPMs are customized machines designed to perform specific manufacturing operations with maximum efficiency. Unlike standard machines, SPMs are engineered to meet unique production requirements, delivering higher output and consistent quality. SPMs play a critical role in modern manufacturing by streamlining repetitive operations, improving productivity, and ensuring precise, repeatable results. They help industries meet growing demand while maintaining high quality standards. The advantages of special purpose machines extend far beyond automation. Increased production capacity, reduced labor dependency, improved process reliability, lower operational cost, better product consistency, enhanced workplace safety, faster return on investment. By tailoring the machine to the application, manufacturers achieve optimal performance and long term operational benefits. With extensive experience in machine design, automation, manufacturing, and integration, we specialize in developing custom special purpose machines that address complex production challenges. From concept and design to manufacturing, assembly, testing, and commissioning, our skilled team delivers reliable and efficient solutions tailored to each customer's requirements. Whether you are looking to increase productivity, improve quality, or automate a critical process, our expertise in special purpose machines can help transform your manufacturing operation. Partner with us to build innovative solutions for the future of manufacturing.